Hello students, how are you all beta? Yes students, today we are going to discuss question answers chapter number 2, Birdie Will You Pet, which is taken from our English literature book students. So let's move on to the question answers part. Yes, dear students, why does the bird refuse to accept the various comforts offered by the child? Discuss. Yes, students, the bird refused to accept the various comforts offered by the child because she doesn't want to lose her freedom at any cost. And dear students, what are those various comforts? That is silken quilts, velvet bed, a necklace made of diamond, amber and jet. These all are various comforts provided by the little child to bird. But the bird doesn't want to lose her freedom at any cost. That's why she refused to accept the various comfort students. Now let's start with the next question. Why does the child call the bird birdie? And why does the child use the word birdie twice? Twice means beta, 2 times. Twice means 2 times. Dear students, the child calls the bird birdie because it is a baby bird. It is a little small baby bird. And the child uses the word birdie twice to please the bird, to make the bird happy. And if the bird will become happy, will become her pet. That's why the child uses the word birdie, birdie, will you my pet? Twice. Clear students? Yes. Dear students, what are these? Necklace made of amber, diamond. These all diamond, amber, jet. Dear students, do you like diamond? Diamond ring, diamond necklace, any ornament made of diamond? Do you like beta? Yes, dear students, as we all know, that the child offers various comforts like diamond, amber and jet and tries to tempt the bird to become her pet. But dear students, the bird is not willing to leave its natural surroundings. Students, these all are precious things, but these precious things can't buy friendship, happiness, peace, and most important, freedom. So, dear students, may I ask you a question? Do you want to live in captivity or freedom? If you are in captivity, will you be happy beta? Yes or no? No, you will not be happy in captivity. You want to live a free life. So, dear students, the poet wants to say to the poem, what's the theme? That the poem brings out a comparison between the life of captivity and freedom. And dear students, freedom is more valuable and far more precious than worldly possessions. In fact, freedom cannot be bought with money. We can't buy happiness, friendship, peace through money. So, dear students, what's the message of this poem? The poet wants to give the message that freedom is dear to all creatures, even birds. animals, human beings, for all. All love freedom, beta. The poet wants to give the message that freedom is dear to all creatures, and even diamond, gold, and silver cannot buy it. And dear student, bird also prefers freedom to physical comforts. And in other words, we can say bird values freedom more than a caged life. And if we ask from you that do you think money is more important or freedom, beta? Freedom. Surely, beta, freedom is more important than the money. Students, money can buy you physical comforts only. Even if the bird is put in a cage of gold, it will not be happy. And freedom to fly and enjoy in the lap of nature is much more valuable than money. Dear students, nature is also like a mother to a bird. It shelters the bird in sun and shower, and thus it helps in the growth of the bird. So dear student, what's most important? Freedom. What we learned from the chapter, beta? That freedom is most important. Now, what's the real wealth? Freedom. Real wealth is about freedom. I hope students you all understand well all the questions, and now learn and write these all questions, beta. Thanks and have a nice day, beta.